I'm Attorney Charles Kronzek, and here's how I see it. The Michigan system for court-appointed attorneys is a disaster. The Sixth Amendment to the United States Constitution, plus Article 1, Section 20 of the Michigan Constitution, give you the right to counsel. In 1963, the United States Supreme Court made a ruling in Gideon against Wainwright that said that indigents also have the right to counsel, and if you can't afford an attorney, you're entitled to have an attorney appointed by the court to represent you. The courts have refined what that means, and that now means that you have the right to competent counsel. That hasn't existed in Michigan for a very long time. The State Bar of Michigan organized a task force, and in 2011, they reported, by almost every measure, indigent criminal defense as a whole in Michigan falls far short of accepted standards, undermining the quality of justice, jeopardizing public safety, and creating large and avoidable costs. Michigan's public defense system has fallen far short of acceptable standards, and it's worsening. That's where the problem comes in. On nearly a daily basis, I take phone calls in my office from people that have court-appointed attorneys. We hear the same stories over and over and over again. My court-appointed attorney won't return my phone call. My court-appointed attorney won't meet with me. My court-appointed attorney won't give me copies of my file. My court-appointed attorney isn't doing anything at all for me. And the complaints go on and on and on about lawyers that are appointed by the court. Frankly, I would never allow a friend or a relative of mine to rely on a court-appointed attorney. There are some of them that are very good, but by and large, that's not the way that I'd want my family to go. Instead, I would advise people to exhaust every possible means in order to gain the funds to retain an attorney. Family, friends, loans, retirement funds, borrowing against a house, so on. Those are all options. And when it comes to a court-appointed attorney, that's not where you want to scrimp. These court-appointed attorneys are underpaid and they're overworked. Nobody in the legal system thinks settling for a court-appointed attorney is the best idea. I would urge you to not gamble with your future. Hire the best attorney you can afford to hire.